Hello friends, my name is Marilyn and in this video I want to share with you a quick warm-up that you can do to prepare your body for a nice workout. Let's do it. A 5-minute warm-up might seem small, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Whether you are here to prepare for a workout or just to get your body moving, this is a win. Every movement counts. Warming up helps prevent injury, increases circulation, and improves flexibility. Plus, it signals your body that it's time to feel strong and energized. Remember, this is your workout and you know your body best, so feel free to modify any movements by either skipping a movement that doesn't feel good or simply doing it at your own pace. The most important thing is to keep moving. Feel your muscles waking up, your joints loosening, and your breath deepening. Keep moving. Your body will thank you for this. If balancing feels too challenging, feel free to grab onto a chair or onto the wall. It's all good. The most important thing is to keep moving. During this exercise, engage your core to stabilize your spine. Also, keep your chest up so that you can maintain a neutral spine and prevent rounding your back. Hinge at the hips. Push your hips back rather than bending at the waist. Here, I want you to imagine that you're forming the number 7. Push your hips back and maintain your back as flat as possible. Even if this is the only movement you do today, you did something amazing. Movement is self-care. Give yourself credit for showing up. You're now ready to take on the rest of your workout or the rest of your day with more energy, mobility, and confidence. Keep moving, keep taking care of you. Please share with me in the comments how do you feel after moving with me today, and subscribe for more videos that you can follow from home.